Well, hey family, this is Darlene stopping by real quick to share some information along this Jewelry by BDK journey. If you watched any of my videos, especially the one where I talked about I had placed my collection on a website called Faire.com. I had got an invitation from them, to put my items on there, and after I researched the company, I said, "Oh, okay, well, it makes sense. I'll go ahead and do it." And what happened is I think I took the store live on August the 23rd, and I just got my first order on this past Monday. So this past Monday, when I tell you it was an absolutely wonderful, wonderful first sale, believe me when I tell you that. The coolest thing ever is, so remember I was doing the little let me unroll it. Uh the video for these little pearl earrings. Probably can't see them too good. And I'm holding the camera. Let me do this. I don't know why I just didn't put it on a tripod. So the I did the video for these little small pearl earrings. And you can go back and see the video. In fact, I'll put the little whatever that is in the upper corner. So for these videos, what I'll do is put a little link in the upper corner so you can see how I made these. But she ordered quite a few of these, the little small pearl earrings. So those are bagged up for her. And then she ordered she ordered 4 of my chunky necklaces. The chunky necklaces, these always sell really, really well anyway. Even when I do events outside, the chunky necklaces sell really well. She bought one of the ones that I painted too. So that would be this one. Let's see if we can turn it over. So she got this one. And then she got 4. She bought 4 of the necklaces. These necklaces are on the wholesale portal for, I want to say, either 175 or 180. Not sure which one it is. But she got 4 of these. And not only that, she got quite a few of the earrings in the bottle. So she got a nice little amount of those. She got a bracelet, a lot of earrings. She didn't get a lot of bracelets. I see more so for this first time buyer. She got a lot of earrings. And I noticed what she did, the earrings and items that were 1, she kind of went for those. The only one with earrings that had more than 1 was these colored ones. So you get 4 in a pack right here. So she went for these. And she got some hoops, some of the little crinkles, I think these are high, HI, or maybe they're not. I want to say they're either HI. Oh yeah, these are XO earrings. So one is an X, one is an O charm. So she got those. She got a pair of hoops. And she did pretty good. She got a nice, oh, and she got, I'm gonna drop one. And she actually got two bracelets, 2 cases of bracelets. So what I'm doing now is I'm stacking them up. Not stacking them up. I am packaging them up so I could get them all shipped out for her today. And what I did is I selected a 7-day shipping time, and I only did that to give myself time. So let's say maybe an item double sales, or on my website or the Etsy website or something, it'll give me time to at least make the piece again if I can. And then also I got an invitation for, it's called Top Dog, and it's Top Dog drop shipping. Not really sure if I'm gonna go that way as of yet. I'm gonna go ahead and give Faire.com a chance and see how this one works out. And so far it's working out pretty good. I mean, the first order was like, when I saw the order, I was like, oh my God, there is no other way but to do shit, but to do wholesale. Okay. And I was like, wow. And that's a necklace. I'm getting necklace set. I'm getting ready to put that on the website for sale. And then I'm gonna try to do, actually I'm gonna try to make 2 more necklaces this morning before I actually start to work. So I made this one last night. It might have been about 1 o'clock in the morning. So, and I'm gonna call this 1 o'clock in the morning. And that's it. Wanted to stop by and let you guys know how it's been going. And you know, just trying to make things work. Just staying in motion. I was reading because you know I do Proverbs. I read Proverbs 31:10 through. And I kind of just got into the habit of reading it all the way to the end. And I love the part where it says that she perceived that her merchandise is good and she selleth it to the merchant. So that tells me that in Proverbs 31, the virtuous woman, she is a entrepreneur who sells her items to retailers. So it says she perceiveth that her merchandise is good and she selleth to the merchant. So she's a wholesaler. That's what she does. She's a wholesaler. And it says that she maketh with her hands. So she makes things with her hands, and it sounds like she's a sewer, like she makes things with her hands, and whatever it is that she makes, she takes it out and she sells it to the merchants. And then in turn, the merchants, who are the retailers, they sell it to their market. So I said how good God is to, and I've read that more than once before, but I never really read it like I'm reading it. And God, like I said, when I do that, when I put God first and I read the scriptures, affirmations, meditation, first thing in the morning, all during the day, whatever it is that I do, he always unfolds a blessing and he always unfolds a word to me. And I was like, wow, that is amazing. As many times as I've read that in the past, I never really picked up on that she perceiveth that her merchandise is good and she selleth to the merchant. That so applies to any one of us that hand make our merchandise, and we know that our merchandise is good. I would definitely take it, okay? But anyway, stopped in. I'm gonna go ahead and package this up, and just wanted to share with you guys this morning, just for encouragement, for inspiration. You know, not to be arrogant, not to be braggadocious about anything, not to say nah, 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 none of that kind of stuff. Is to encourage, to motivate, to show you that it can be done. Get this shipped out, and I bless and I claim this. What you see right here, I'm gonna be shipping like this out to movie studios. I bless and I claim that on this day, September the 2nd at 8:21 in the morning. These are what my package is gonna look like going out to movie studios and television studios. I bless and I claim that in the name of Jesus. You guys, be productive. Do what it is that you got to do, and whatever purpose God placed in your heart, be vigilant in it. All right, we'll talk soon.